Boy, quit playing that title fight.
How's the bass going loud and clear? Do you know?
What?
The bass on loud and clear is.
I don't know.
Bro, the difference between the bass tone and fucking the last thing you should forget in Floor Green is crazy.
Yeah.
What is the chord?
Okay.
I have promises that I can't keep.
Alright. Are we ready?
Yeah.
What's up?
What
Yawning.
is Johnny again? Just let me know.
Is it this one?
Yeah. Yeah, just GNC.
So you get the walk up.
Oh, yeah,
The mutt.
Yeah.
Fucking man spread. Okay, are we ready? Uno, dos, tres, fuck it.
Bro, that was so much fun on bass. Goddamn.
Whoopa.